If you are deciding to learn JavaScript or decided to learn JavaScript, then you are on a right place. In this video I will show you everything you need to know to get started as JavaScript. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you will not miss any of the videos.
So, the first question that comes to our mind is, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is an object-oriented computer programming language. It is commonly used for creating interactive effects within web pages. JavaScript is one of the most popular programming language because nowadays JavaScript is everywhere. The great thing is that it can be run on client-side and server-side, and it is also expanding to Internet of Things and game development. It is also allow us to create interactive websites. Another question which is most important, that is the features of JavaScript. There are many features of JavaScript, but the most powerful ones are, it is easy to learn, and it is lightweight. It can also allow us to detect the user's browser and operating system, and it can also allow us to handle times and date. Another most important question is that, why you should use JavaScript? Using HTML we cannot add functionality to a website. For example, we cannot check any condition or we cannot use decision-making statements. All these things are not possible with HTML. To use all these functionality, you should use JavaScript in order to make your website interactive.